Hi guys, everyone. Hope you're doing well. So, just quickly updates. Fixing my channel. Yesterday I put in max plug just to stop the water going through the slab, and it's looked like it's starting drying. So what I try to do now, just to with the grinder, just polish off all this sea salt was going through the slab and be preparing for drying, and we'll see how we go. So be using today 125 mil grinder with the battery and 120 mil diamond disc just to polish it off, and VC40U Hilti vacuum cleaner, which one everyone knows. So let's see how it goes, and yeah, thank you for watching. So I just put in my camera here so I can see it. Here we go. Beautiful. If you see it, it's not really that much dust went through, but it's did a good job. So I can see it now a little bit more clear, you know, how water penetrate to the slab, and hopefully I'll just keep working and find a way to stop this damage, and yeah, and we see and we go from there. So thanks again to Hilti and to everyone who watching me, and best of luck. Talk soon.